everyone, welcome to Element. This is our New Orleans headquarters. For the first time in 20 years, we're opening our doors for an exciting night for everybody to join us. We're happy you're here. Have a good night.
Hi, I'm Brandon Blackwell from Elysian Events Catering. Tonight we are shucking some raw oysters.
Hi, I'm Trinice Williams, represent P. John's Catering on today. I have our cream crawfish sauce and our roast beef debris on top of French fries.
Hi y'all, this is Tsunami. We serve nigiri and sushi, and I hope y'all enjoy the party.
Welcome to Boogie X. Today we are showcasing our newest photo experience, the 360 green screen.
One of my favorite things about working for Element is I get to play with cool stuff and work with cool people and have a blast doing it. So, who wouldn't want to do this?